Hi friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about how to change phone sleep time in our Realme phone. Guys, you want to change your phone sleep time in your Realme phone, so friends, you can change it. And guys, now let's see how to change phone sleep time in our Realme phone. In this video, I will show you. So before starting video, friends, first of all, go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, and like my video. So first of all, guys, we will on our phone setting to change phone sleep time. Then I scroll it. Once you can see display and brightness setting, tap here. Again scroll guys, you can see auto screen. So guys, phone sleep time guys, you can see here. So you want to change, so you can change. Example was I will show you guys this 15-second phone sleep time setting. So how can you use it? So I suppose guys your screen is on. First of all guys, we will off and then we will turn on screen. And guys, now we will not touch anywhere in our screen. Then guys, you can see your phone screen will off automatic. 15 seconds guys, wait and watch. Your phone screen will sleep. You can see it's going sleep and sleep. So like that guys, you can change your phone sleep time in your Realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.